Attendance very poor. I don't know if you agree with me.
I don't agree. Who you should Kumasi Accra at the year analysis, you will make mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, teams are above Kumasi, Eye Kotoko, and making Pfizer.
Mm-hmm.
Teams are above Accra, a Great Olympics, Hearts of Folk, Legon Cities, Accra Lions.
Yeah.
Ordinarily, when Legon Cities are playing Kotoko, or Accra, who expect to say you will see the numbers.
Okay.
But when Legon Cities is playing Olympics, do you expect the stadium to be full? The answer is no. When King Faisal is playing Kutuku Royal in Kumasi, I don't think any lover of the game would say King Faisal home match against Kutuku Royal.
Stadium
Mebeyama. It is not possible. I'm saying that we should not use Kumasi and Accra to judge because Mako became 3 times this season. Even when they play against other teams, either than Kotoko or Hearts of Oak, the numbers are encouraging. Same at Samra Boy, same at Bichim, same at Inswatre, same at Enginesi. It is a problem with Kumasi and Accra, the bigger stadiums. Even RTU last week, Omni has a good matching. So share now who nipa me wa more than encouraging. But there can you see utu momone for no na utu ejamwa sofo. Hearts of Folk and Kotoko would only, and I repeat, Hearts of Folk and Kotoko would only attract the numbers when they are doing well. 2 seasons ago, half a winning league. You know. Before Omobo Accra Sports Stadium in the second round, there was 1 point separating them. As at 11 a.m. at Drew Stadium, that stadium is almost full. That day, ministers at Bar Stadium, former players at Bar Stadium, it got to a point where even in the presidential box, Nankofu could a ticket, but no Kunyan transfer. It is because the 2 clubs were consistent in their performance. Kotokoti we no channel 4 e wo Kumasi. Has still we no channel. Na has score we no akowini. Na Kotoko we no akowini. At the time no mo ba be no, there was only 1 point separating them. And every year ban e share go. And now has e fa Kotoko mo kon down so. And no mo to aso a mo di winning league. I'm talking about the year now. That we both donate Barreto.
Yeah.
Last
2 seasons.
For these 2 teams, the only thing that would bring fans to the stadium is a result. It's as simple as ABC. But when you are inconsistent with what matches are over, not ordinary Kotoko supporter, if you ditch them so ever stadium, not on yes sure of the outcome, anything is over. And all my life, sorry, that I live in Kumasi. Discussions now I was scoreboard nothing. Any is my kitchen anymore. Any sports hotel anymore cry. Emma will feel it. Said the next home game, the stadium will be full. But then what about Legon Cities? 1-1. What about Great Olympics? 1-1. Great Olympics, HFS. Bre no 98 minutes. Okay. Ubo home. I watch out for Ubo. And I until the recent or until the last 2 games, Kotoko share Kutuku Royals 5. Share Accra Lions 4. The Bissau said, match Ben Kotoko Abo Kumasia, but dominating and winning no handsomely. And shall win the match beyond Kancheni. I was in Kumasi when Kotoko played King Faisal. We need 3-0. That game was under floodlight. It is the only game I met me. Adam is saying the Wakase Kotoko were vintage on the day. The 2 games against Kutuku Royals and Accra Lions not on 10. Like I said, in the first 14 games at Kotoko Ball, Kumasino. Marty Ben Pan, I will bet you can't win the head. As soon as sit down on Weddy or been down on Weddy. Much there for say. You can't tell me. Same for Hearts of Folk. Obo home, never be a show. Obo Accra, no Olympics a show. Obo Accra, no Lagos City a show. Obo Accra, now make Karela about draw. Why never? Because for these two teams, it's about performance. It's not about experiment. I think that the clubs themselves have a responsibility to speak to the minds and the conscience of their fans.
Henry, not just the cry
a case in point is that the reference I have always made when Herbert Mensah took over. That time, I remember Sekotoko Elko away match B. Bus, semi.
Yeah.
Bus on the Kokrano or Nibi into a forfeited game. I think they were going to All Blacks or so. Time I judge you a giant team, no man, semi a Jankano. When Herbert took over, regardless of all the investment, Kotoko had a share of 4-0, but in their next home game, the stadium was almost full because the management at the time saw the need to speak to the conscience of the fans. We are rebuilding. From that latter part of 1999, comparing 2001, I got to Kokobo Cup final. There was always one song that was being sung by the Herbert Mensah administration.
Rebuilding.
We are rebuilding. Even when Kotoko loses, the fans know, say, we are rebuilding. In Accra, has shown 4-0 continuously. In Accra, the following season, has shown 3-0. In Accra, the following season, has shown 2-0. But you can be rest assured, say, the next home game, the fans will turn up in their numbers.